Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my garden with me. Today I'm going to harvest my potatoes. So we've got grow bags for potatoes. Each bag is a different variety. They all look perfectly morose. So let's find out what we've got. Look at the potato. I think I'm going to get something to dump them out on and then dig through that.
Editing Amanda here, and I just want to apologize about the loud fan sound. I didn't even think about it when I was harvesting. My grow bags were right next to my AC unit, and it was a hot day, so the AC was on. So I just wanted to apologize for the sound and let you know that where I got my seed potato from this year, I ordered from Wood Prairie Farms, and I chose Sarpa Una potatoes, Kikua Gold, Huckleberry Gold, Caribou Russet, Adirondack Blue, and Yukon Gold potatoes. Last year, when I was looking for somewhere to get seed potatoes from, I waited too long to get anything local to me from my local greenhouse, and then I couldn't find anywhere online that would ship to where I live. Most of the places that I was coming across appeared to have some kind of block on shipping potatoes. I'm assuming it has to do with the agriculture industry. So I did find potatoes last year, but I found them at big box store. I think it was Lowe's or Home Depot, and they were the last sad bags in the very bottom of the bin. Um, and I did not get very many potatoes. I think I might have gotten one potato out of each bag. I did three varieties that I happened to find last year. So I spent the winter looking for a company that has seed potatoes that would actually ship to me, because finding seed potatoes in my area at my greenhouses, you have to be right on time, right really early, or they sell out so fast. So I didn't want to have that problem again of missing them. And I wanted a fun variety of potatoes. I didn't want just potatoes that I could easily buy in the grocery store. So when I came across Wood Prairie Farms, I was really excited because of the big variety of potatoes that they had. And it was the most intriguing for me to try to grow.
This is not going as I would have hoped. 3 bags done. Maybe the last 3 will be better. look at it. That's a decent size. And then there's this guy. Harvested them all, and this is it. Each bag had, I think it was like a quarter pound or half a pound of seed potatoes. So I think I need to decide where I want to attempt potatoes next year. Potentially in one of my raised beds, or maybe move locations of where the grow bags for the potatoes were this year. I put them here because there's rock by the house, so I didn't squish the grass. But honestly, I don't care if I kill the grass. So, to be determined. But I did get potatoes, so it wasn't a complete loss. So we'll just try again next year. And now I have potatoes to eat. Ooh, dirty. All right. Okay, friends, thanks so much for hanging out with me while I harvested my potatoes and help me think of a better way to do potatoes for next year. I don't want to give up because it is a lot of fun to grow root crops, and potatoes are one of my favorite foods. So if I could grow my own, don't think I'll grow a year's worth or anything like that. Nowhere to put them, for one thing, like storage throughout the year. Don't have a root cellar. My garage is uninsulated, so whatever outside temperature it is, it's the same temperature in the garage. And I don't have a massive house, so I don't need to grow years worth. But I mean, at least growing more weight than the seed potatoes would be cool. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me, friends, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.